Welcome to the Simple Home Life YouTube channel, where my goal is to provide short, easily understandable, and simple videos to help you in maintaining and using your tools and to get you going on your next home project. Here we go. Alright, this video is a corded drill and adding a stick-on sanding disc so that you're able to use the drill for sanding purposes, maybe a little more than what your palm sander might do. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up the package. This one came with a couple different sanding discs, 3 of them actually. They were 3 different, they were all different in how coarse they were. It comes with the disc, comes with some hardware in installing it, parts that go into the drill, washers, nut, and on the back it gives a pretty specific directions for how to install it into your drill. So definitely unplug the power, open up the drill so that it's got a big enough hole to insert the piece that they provide for you. And so I already have it installed. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that little washer, put it in the top, the big washer, or the lock washer on the bottom, and then the big washer to cover it up, or vice versa, sorry. Big washer down, other one down, and then stick the bolt through it. After you have done that, you got kind of like a completed thing. And now what you're going to do is you're going to want to get your drill. You're going to want to open it up so that it can fit the piece that was given to you. You're going to pull out your key. Make sure it is plenty tight in there. You do not want that slipping out, especially when you're sanding. So now you're going to take you're finished with the washers and whatnot and the bolt. You're just going to thread it on there. And then what I did to just really make sure is took a screwdriver, flathead, screwed it on there extra tight. So once you've completed this step is when you can take the stick-on sanding disc or the sandpaper itself and put it on the disc. So just peel it off like a big old sticker, line it up the best that you can, and stick her on there, and she is ready to go. Thanks again for watching, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more little easy how-to videos and enjoy your next sanding adventure.